Let's quickly recap what you learned in this section. We use graphs to represent connected objects such as people, projects, jobs, cities, and so on. Using graphs, we can solve interesting problems such as the shortest path between two areas. We're going to look at this in the next section. Another great application of graphs is finding the order to process a series of jobs or projects that are dependent on each other. This is what we call topological sorting. Now, there are two ways to implement a graph. We can use an adjacency matrix or an adjacency list. The adjacency matrix is suitable for implementing dense graphs, where every node is connected to every other node. In reality, we often use an adjacency list to represent a graph. We have two ways to traverse a graph: breadth-first search and depth-first search. With both these algorithms, we can find the nodes that are reachable from a given node. In the next section, we're going to continue our discussion of graphs. We'll be looking at undirected and weighted graphs. So I will see you next.